Inventory is up 53% year over year, while new contracts are slightly ahead, but net proceeds have fallen off 1% compared to last year this same time. It's Friday, February 7th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Buyer activity in all areas is limited while inventory is rising, and sellers are seeing the list to sold ratio slipping week to week. 1,560 new inventory properties came to the market over this past week. Coming soon inventory rose again this week to 1,076. 1,406 homes went under contract this past week in 17 days. 1,098 homes sold this past week in 26 days at 98.6% list to sold ratio. Rentals fell off this week again. 2,668 are for lease at $2,450 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 7th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.